Oh my gosh. I got up this morning, I heard there was a terrible blizzard last night. I'm really concerned about what it's done to my city, so I'm going to go outside and check it out. Hang in there. We're going to take a look at it. Oh my, it looks like I'm going to have to get the snow blower out. I've got snow on my trash can. I've got snow on my son's car. Let's check out the Tahoe, see if it fared any better. Well, look at that. It's got snow on the hood. There's snow on the windshield. It's terrible. There's spotted snow around the neighborhood. I know you can barely see it. But don't worry, this is Texas. In Texas, we pull it off. We will survive. We will rebuild. Everything will be fine. Thank you. Well, I spent 6 hours out there shoveling snow, and I took a broom and I sweep the snow off the windshields, and I think we're going to be okay now. We're in recovery mode. No, I don't need any money. Don't send any money. I'm okay. I had money saved up for in case this happens, so I'm okay. I hope you're safe where you're at. You didn't get hit as hard as I did, but life will go on. We will survive. Bye.